Join me on this journey as I challenge myself to go from broke to financially free in just 1 year by making money online. But before I get started, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe below. Thanks. I still remember the day I hit rock bottom financially. I was drowning in debt, living paycheck to paycheck, and struggling to make ends meet. It was a stressful and scary place to be. But that's when I made the decision to take control of my finances and start building wealth online. Today, I'm excited to share with you my journey of going from broke to financially free in just a year, making money online. It's a journey that has transformed my life in ways I never thought possible. I've gained financial freedom, reduced stress, and achieved a sense of fulfillment that I had been missing for so long. And I'm excited to share with you the strategies and tips that helped me get there. When it comes to making money online, I know that many of you may be skeptical. You may have tried different methods that haven't worked out, or you may have fallen victim to scams. You may be thinking, is making money online even possible? Or is it just a myth? But let me tell you, it's not a myth. I've done it, and I know that you can do it too. The problem is that most people don't know where to start, or they get discouraged when they don't see immediate results. One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to make money online is information overload. There are so many different strategies and tactics out there, it's hard to know what to focus on. And then there's the fear of failure. What if I don't succeed? What if I waste my time and money on something that doesn't work out? In my own journey, I faced many challenges and setbacks. There were times when I felt like giving up, but I didn't. I kept pushing forward, and I kept learning from my mistakes. And that's what I want to encourage you to do too. Don't give up on your dreams of making money online. Keep pushing forward, even when it gets tough. So, how did I generate income online? For me, it all started with affiliate marketing. I discovered a platform that allowed me to promote products and services of other companies and earn a commission on each sale made through my unique referral link. It was a game changer for me, and it allowed me to earn a passive income stream that has continued to grow over time. As I continued to learn and grow, I started to experiment with other strategies, like creating and selling my own products, and building an email list. And that's when things really started to take off. I began to see a significant increase in my income, and I knew that I was on the right path. The breakthrough moment for me was when I realized that I didn't have to trade my time for money. I could create passive income streams that would work for me, even when I wasn't working. Looking back, I realized that the key decision that accelerated my journey to financial freedom was the decision to take action. I didn't let fear or doubt hold me back. I took the leap, and I started taking consistent action towards my goals. And that's what I want to encourage you to do too. Don't wait for the perfect moment or until you feel ready. Just take the first step, and then take the next step, and keep moving forward. So, what can you take away from my journey? First, making money online is possible, but it requires persistence, patience, and dedication. Second, you need to be willing to learn and adapt to new strategies and tactics. And third, you need to take action towards your goals. Don't wait for perfection. Just start taking small steps towards your goals and keep moving forward. Thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you're interested in learning more about making money online and achieving financial freedom, please look at my information in the description below and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and strategies. I'll see you in the next video.